Okay, let me show you a video. This is pretty slick. If you notice, the heat gained equals the heat lost. So if you have a metal on this side and water on that side, and then you go ahead and put the letters in, and then afterwards you expand the change in temperature to be the final temperature minus the initial temperature. And then notice that these two, the final temperatures, should be the equilibrium temperature, so they should be equal if you put the metal in the water and wait till they come to the same temperature. Now if I move up, I'm going to put in some dummy numbers here just to give you an example. But 1 gram of the metal, heat capacity is 2 calories per gram degrees Celsius. And then let's suppose we don't know the equilibrium temperature, but we're trying to find it. So there's 30 degrees Celsius is what it starts out at. 3 grams of the water, 4 calories per gram degrees Celsius is the heat capacity. And then the final temperature, which we don't know, but it'll be the same as this one over here, minus the initial temperature of the water, which was 10 degrees Celsius. So what will be the equilibrium temperature? So what we do is we, first of all, I like to simplify it and remove the units and use X for T. And the reason why I would do that is because it becomes 1 times T, X minus 30 equals 3 times 4, X minus 10. And now we can enter it into our calculator. And this is like awesome. This is one of the most powerful tools that math teachers will never teach you. But sometimes you have a problem like that and you need to solve it. So here's what I do. I go second number solve. I'm going to clear that equation out. Second number solve. And for some reason it's still there, so I'm just going to have to delete everything. I'll go on this side. Delete everything. Okay, it comes up with 2 like boxes and then an equal sign. Now what I want to show you is you enter it in. So on the left side you hit 1 times 2 times parentheses X is that key right there. Oh, the X is above the next to the 1 kind of. So X minus 30 close parentheses, and then you go to 3 times 4 times parentheses X key minus 10. And then I'm going to move up a little bit so you can see it, I guess. But if you move this up, just hit enter. Oh, let's see. And then it comes up with this cool screen like this. Actually, it's better down here for you guys. It comes up with a screen like this. So you enter in a guess value. So I'm going to enter in like 3. Maybe it'll come to, it doesn't matter what you put. And then you just hit enter over the X key because you want to solve for X. If you had multiple variables, you would put guess values for each variable, and then just highlight the variable you want to solve for and solve for that. But I'm going to solve, and then it says X equals 6. So now we know 6 degrees is the equilibrium temperature. Now obviously I didn't give you good numbers, so that didn't quite make sense, but the calculator power is there. Okay, thanks.